On February 3rd, the crypto market faced a severe downfall, with over 2.3 billion in leveraged crypto positions being liquidated within 24 hours. One of the alternative estimations points out 8 to 10 billion in crypto liquidation. Is this downfall a record-breaking? Many crypto influencers call the February 3rd crypto crash the worst in history, calling it worse than the FTX and Terra Luna collapse, or even saying it is more severe than the COVID-related plunge that saw Bitcoin losing over 50% of its value in a single day. 0.2 billion liquidations. More than during FTX COVID. Do not forget, market is cleaned. Big bounce, almost inevitable. The takes on which of the crashes is the worst one may vary depending on the methodology used. Looking at the BTC price drop, we may conclude that losing over 50 in a single day is way worse than a 13 drop that occurred on February 3rd, 2025. Some experts believe that the volume of liquidated leveraged crypto assets was higher in the February 2025 downfall than the one in 2020. However, we don't have enough reliable data to see if it's true. The crises of 2022 related to Terra Luna stablecoin collapse and the FTX exchange shutdown were more severe in terms of liquidations than the 2021, although they didn't see BTC price shrinking in two within 24 hours. Although many news outlets claim that the recent downfall resulted in over 2 billion in leveraged crypto liquidation, Bybit CEO Ben Zhou said on X that Bybit solely saw 2.1 billion in liquidations. Zhou estimated the overall market liquidations to be 8 to 10 billion. If he's right, then the total liquidated amount may be larger than the combined COVID, Terra Luna, and FTX shutdown liquidations. That I am afraid that today real total liquidation is a lot more than 2B. By my estimation, it should be at least around 8-10B. FYI, Bybit 24-hour liquidation alone was 2.1B. As you can see in below screenshot, Bybit 24-hour liquidations recorded on CoinGlass was around 3:33 am. However, https://co for WLKPXTYF 4pic.twitter.comodo contes for the earlier Bitcoin price crashes, there were smashing downfalls in 2011, 2013, and 2017. However, the relative lack of reliable data about those market crashes makes it impossible to adequately compare those shakeups to those that took place in the 2020s. In the first half of 2011, the BTC price went from 2 to 32. In June, when the price dropped below 20 following the hack of the biggest crypto exchange at the time, MTGOX, the price plummeted to 0.01. Some consider it the worst downfall of the BTC price. Although the price dropped significantly, there was no collateralized BTC trading, which helped avoid serious losses. However, MTGOX users' funds were affected. In 1 year, the price reached over 10 and fully recovered by 2013. That despite the market bloodbath, seasoned crypto enthusiasts and professionals signal that this downfall doesn't mean the collapse of the market, especially given that various markets are in decline. Interestingly enough, as of the time of writing this article, the BTC price approximated 100K again, accumulating around 9,000 after the bottom mark, effectively recovering over half of what has been lost. The Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki called the crash brutal. However, he reminded us that the best assets in the world are going on sale, and it's the best time to get rich. Brutal crash here now. The stock, bond, real estate, gold, silver, and Bitcoin markets are crashing. The best assets in the world are going on sale. Millions will lose their jobs. This is the best time to get rich. Don't be a loser. Stay cool. Take care. Traders who used leverage to amplify their profits suffered the most. The long-term hodlers realized that the BTC price will recover, as it did after the previous brutal crashes. The momentum that led to a 2021 crypto boom started to build up right after the March 13th, 2020 market collapse, demonstrating that in turbulent times, many people see crypto as a safe haven. In less than 2 months, the BTC price approached the value it had before the March sell-off. New post-Bitcoin was the safe haven asset we all needed. Many people inaccurately claimed that Bitcoin was not a safe haven asset over the last year. Now we can see that Bitcoin actually was the single best safe haven asset for investors during crisis. https://coke9aq9ebz 4m Following the FTX shutdown, BTC lost around a fourth of its value in a matter of a couple of days. After a short period of uncertainty, the price began to build up again. fully recovering in 2.5 months and doubling in 13 months after the downfall. The Terra Luna stablecoin collapse in May triggered a longer BTC price decline. It took Bitcoin over 8 months to fully recover. The Binance CEO Richard Tung took to X to remind the community that this catastrophic sell-off is not the first and will not be the last, noting that the overall BTC trajectory is ascending, disregarding periodical sharp declines. Tung faced backlash, though. Several X users criticized Binance for listing worthless meme coins, and the exchange was called a part of the problem. However, the implications of the meme coin craze are another topic. That this too shall pass sentiment is the current mainstream of the crypto community.